Dear student, hope you are well by the grace of Allah. Now we are facing a critical days. In the critical days, I would like request to you that stay at home and stay at home and be safe. Now I want to discuss about financial statement. That means my topic name is financial statement. By the way, now we will discuss the element of financial statement. Element of financial statement. FS, financial statement. I can write financial statement element. Number 1, assessed. Number 2, liabilities. Number 3, expenses. Number 4, income. Number 5, drawings, and more than. Elements of financial statement: assessed, liabilities, expenses, income, drawing. Assessed may be fixed assessed or current assessed. Example of fixed assessed: furniture, equipment, motor van, delivery units. Liabilities. First, liabilities. Liabilities two types: current liabilities and long-term liabilities. Long-term liabilities means debenture, capital, etc. And current liabilities means accounts payable, notes payable, any outstanding expense, etc. Income. Income means service revenue, any earned, etc. Drawings. That means when the owner drawing cash in hand, drawings, or some goods drawing from his business, that means drawings. That's the elements of financial statements. Step of financial statement. Number 1, income statement. Number 2, owner's equity statement. Number 3, BS. BS, the full meaning is balance sheet. Balance sheet. Steps of financial statement. Number 1, income statement. Number 2, owner's equity statement. Number 3, BS. That means balance sheet. Now I will discuss about income statement. Income statement. Income statement means income, total income and total expense is their summary. অর্থাৎ summary of total income and total expense. Sum income, number 1, sales, number 2, service revenue, number 3, rent revenue, and there are more other income. Suppose commission received, interest received, etc. Some expenses. Number 1, salary. Number 2, wages. Number 3, transport cost. Number 4, salesman salary. And there are a lot of expenses. Actually, income statement means total income minus total expense, or summary of expense and summary of income a company. So now we will discuss owner's equity statement. Owner's equity statement. Formula capital plus net income. If net loss, then minus net loss. Minus drawing. That is owner's equity. Owner's equity statement formula is capital plus net income. If net loss, then minus net loss and minus drawing. That means owner's equity. And there are maybe a lot of items. They will be added or minus. Suppose additional drawing. That will must be minus. Or additional capital. That will be plus with capital. Balance sheet. Balance sheet shows a company's total assets and total liabilities. I want to again say balance sheet means summary of total assets and total liabilities of a company. And in the balance sheet, total assets equal to will be total liabilities. That means is equal to L plus OE. Suppose assessed is 20,000 and L plus OE must be 20,000. It is balance sheet. Now I will discuss some element of balance sheet. BS balance sheet, assessed টাকা, capital and liabilities টাকা. Assessed are two types. At first, current assessed. Current assessed. Current assessed, they are cash in hand, cash at bank, inventory, closing inventory, any fee-paid expense, etc. Number 2, long-term liabilities. Long-term liability. And suppose furniture, equipment, etc. And you should remember it, if you find any depreciation, that is deduction from that furniture or equipment. Capital liabilities, at first, current liabilities. Current liabilities means any current liability, suppose bank overdraft or AP accounts payable, NFI notes payable, any outstanding expense, etc. তারপর maybe come long-term liabilities. Long-term liabilities are debenture, bond, and any long-term liabilities. And at last, here owner security, we will write here owner security, it is result. And the exercise, at first current assessed, that after that long-term assessed, অথবা এটাকে আমরা বলতে পারি ফিক্সড, সহজ ভাষায় ফিক্সড assessed furniture, equipment, and any other fixed assets. Here I will mention when you will prepare financial statement. In the question you will find a trial balance and some adjusting entries. The trial balance and adjusting entries, adjustment you will prepare financial statement, income statement, owner's equity statement, and balance sheet. At first I told that income statement means summary of income and expense. Owner's equity means the owner's capital added net profit minus net loss. minus drawing, added additional capital, etc. And when we will prepare balance sheet means a company means total assets and total capital and liabilities. Assets are two types, generally two types: current assets, fixed assets. And liabilities, at first current liabilities, long-term liabilities, etc. And capital means the result of owner's equity. The result of owner's equities. So dear student, now I discussed about our topic financial instrument. Here I mentioned the element of financial instrument and the steps of financial instrument, income instrument, owner's equity instrument, and balance sheet. And I also mentioned in income instrument which items will become, and in owner's equity instrument how to I will prepare it, and at last balance sheet. In the balance sheet I will discuss the steps of assets and the capital and liabilities. Dear students, now we are passing a critical time. You will stay at home and all the time you should not lose your time. In the free time you should continue your study. I think examination is not so far. When the critical time is over, then exam will be start. So you should prepare your preparation and for your exam. Best of luck.